Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the brand new stamp set and dies actually. It's called Cheers and Sips. I'm personally not going to use the dies today. And now I am sharing with you the brand new paper. This is called the Celebratory Sips 12 by 12 Designer Series paper. All of these products you can get May 6th. And it's not too far away, a couple of weeks. And I'm sharing with you what these papers are delightful. So I'm showing you the front and back. That first page with the larger drinks, I ended up cutting them down, fussy cutting them out, I should say. So I sacrificed one 12 by 12 page of Designer Series paper and I fussy cut them all. There is a die that cuts some of them, but I wanted to fussy cut because I didn't want to lose any of the embellishments that were on the drinks. Anyway, so there's a couple floral pieces in here, a couple solid colors, and I found it really versatile. I'm thinking I'm going to be able to use everything on that paper pad. So the sentiment that I'm going with today for this slimline card is, it's your day, let's celebrate. So this is a piece of basic white regular stamping weight paper, and I use Memento Tuxedo black ink and my paper snips to trim them down. So again, here is my cutouts, my fussy cutouts, and I'm just choosing the correct, what's pleasing to me. So I'm making a slimline card today, and last Wednesday I made a slimline card as well. And I really feel like, I know I had somebody tell me that they didn't like slimline cards, but it's why, I don't understand, but that's okay. Everyone has their own likes and dislikes, but I really wanted to show off this paper, and I thought having sort of like a string of drinks would be a nice way to show off this really cute paper. Again, it's not like some of these looks like lemonade. We actually have a beautiful lavender farm here where I live in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada. Anyway, and we have it's beautiful, and they actually sell their lavender iced tea. Like, you can make lavender iced tea, and it's quite delightful. It's not as florally as you would think it is. So anyway, I'm making a slimline card, and the dimensions. It's 7 by 8.5, and then you score that in half by 3.5. So that's the Berry Burst card base I'm using. It's probably one of my favorite purples. And then this piece is basic white, and it is just a little shy of that. So I think it was 3.25 by 8.25. And yeah, I'm not doing a heck of a lot to it. I think you could have stamped on it, but I have plans using a new product coming shortly. But yeah, so the reason why I didn't die cut these drinks out is because of the umbrella and the orange slice and all of that. Like, I couldn't, the dies would just cut it off and wouldn't allow me to, use the embellishments that came with the drinks. So, and to me, not all of them look alcoholic. Like, I don't drink. I mean, honestly, if it was me, I would probably choose the lemonade. I don't drink that much, but I mean, I have been known to partake in a little bit of debauchery when I was younger. But yeah, for this, I would be under the table if I had more than 2 drinks. Cheap drunk, right? Anyway, I'm popping some of them up on dimensionals, and some of them, I just thought this was, or some of them flat with dry adhesive. I just thought that this was super cute. So I'm going with my, this is, what do we call this? Multi-purpose glue. It's Tombow glue, and I'm dotting around, and I want to catch some of my embellishments. So the new embellishments are called Loose Shaker Elements. Really, like very imaginative, everyone. But they're fun. So there's circles, there's stars, and there's like little kind of shiny beads or like little tubes or something, iridescent tubey things. They didn't stick real well, but all the other things did. So I sprinkled them on top of the glue dots, and then what stuck, I hoped it would stay, and then some were tapped off. So I'm just using some Designer Series paper as my funnel here. Smart, right? And then I was able to sort of let them dry. And Tombow has a tendency, if you leave it, it sort of is repositionable glue. So I really wanted to make sure that everything was hardened. And then I went around and made sure that nothing was sticky so that the card front wouldn't stick to the envelope. So this is my sentiment. It's your day and let's celebrate. And I'm just using it just adhering it with dry adhesive on a scrap piece of that Berry Burst, one of my favorite colors in the Stampin' Up repertoire, actually. One of my favorites. My favorite purple, anyway. I even like it better than, I would say that I like it better than Fresh Freesia, and I like those two. They actually go really well together. And but Berry Burst is like runner up there. It's my first love. All right, so this is how I do it. I just put those, I trim them down, like they're not perfect. They are cattywampus and I don't care. I don't necessarily need them to be perfect. The whole card is very whimsical. So I think I can err on a little bit of crookedness here and there. And I really liked how the loose shaker elements became sort of the background, very fun, party-like. I like that. So I'm being careful not to rub any of the elements off the card. So I decided just to put my adhesive directly on my card base here, my slimline card base. And again, that's 8.5 long, wide, and 7 tall, and then scored at 3.5. Hopefully you're picking, you've done slimline cards before, so you can figure out the measurements. And here I am placing my sentiments down, and I'm not going to leave a list of supplies for this card because you can't get it yet. So, but I did want to say thank you so much for spending time with me today. And I really appreciate the comments you leave. If you leave comments, it might take me a minute to get them approved, but I do see them all and I will respond. Thank you again for all the thumbs up and all the YouTube-y things that you do. Oh, that's Wink of Stella, by the way. I put it on the boring drinks, the fruit, and the olive. Blech. I don't like olives. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.